Hi, I'm Brandis Davis with the City of San Antonio's Human Resources Department, and this is Job of the Week. Today we're here at our Northwest Service Center, and I've got two friends with me. I've got Manny. Hi, Manny.
Hello.
And Sergio. Hi, Sergio.
Hey, Brandon, how you doing? Thank you for having us.
Thanks for having us out here. They're both with the Solid Waste Management Department, and they're here to talk to us about a job. What job are we talking about today, guys?
Right now, we are looking for a heavy equipment mechanic 1. Right now, we have several openings, several locations. As you know, we have a big fleet for the city of San Antonio, and we need people to maintain the vehicles that the city uses. We have 4 different service centers throughout the city.
Oh, 4?
Yes, 4 service centers throughout the quadrant of the city. So right now, we're looking for positions at various sites, and we're just here to kind of talk about what we're expecting out of our applicants.
Oh, okay. So the heavy equipment mechanic, they'll work to repair and service the vehicles that the employees in the Solid Waste Management Department used to go around and collect the things from people's homes and debris and things like that?
Yes,
Correct.
that's correct.
Correct. That is
Okay.
correct.
Okay. So what kind of person are you looking for to join your team?
Well, we're looking for somebody that's positive. It's got kind of a mechanical background, and that's outgoing. Is ready to work and ready to learn, and ready to get dirty because this what this job is. But you know what? It's good. And we're with the city of San Antonio. It's open for improvement for everybody, and we do provide training for all our new employees and existing employees. We provide that training on them. We provide training on how to operate all our vehicles, training on how to operate our equipment in the shop itself. We do have vehicle lifts and overhead cranes as well, and we teach everybody how to train everybody on working all that equipment.
Yes, and we just recently opened up 2 new service centers.
Oh,
Here, the Northwest Service Center and the Southeast Service Center. So all of our service centers are pretty much up to date and state of the art. So we provide a great facility for people to work in. And like Manny was saying, we have training and in-house training and outside training to bring everybody up to par. We do require that some people have some experience in the industry, have some automotive knowledge, hydraulics preferred, but we can train all that. And so we also have job progression within the city. We have different levels of technicians. Like I said, we're hiring for the Tech 1. Of course, everybody comes in at the entry level. And then we have progressions as we move on, Mechanic 2, Mechanic 3, with the time and the experience that is built up as they're working. And so we also have incentives for employees. We provide safety allowance and tool allowance for maintenance of their tools and stuff. We understand what we require of the mechanics. We know what it is to be a mechanic and invest in this industry. So we try to give something back to help everybody keep that improving and growing.
so wait. Manny and Sergio, you're telling me that not only do you provide on-the-job training, not only do you provide a great environment with new facilities, not only do you provide a tool allowance and a great team, but then there's also opportunity for advancement within the organization?
Correct. That is correct. We
Wow.
do have yearly assessments for the mechanics where they can move from a Mechanic 1 position to a Mechanic 2 position.
Oh, wow.
And from a Mechanic 2 to a Mechanic 3 position, which that also improves your pay rate as well.
Oh, great. Well, this sounds fabulous. Is there anything else you want to share with our viewers about this position?
It is challenging. We look for people that are self-motivated and willing to learn. It is high pace. Like I said, we service thousands of vehicles on a daily basis. Yes.
Wow.
Anything from small vehicles to large vehicles like you see behind us. And, you just got to be willing to come in. And I'm not going to say it's a high pace, but you are going to be productive, and we are busy on a daily basis. Yeah, it is hard work. But we do reward employees with, these are incentives and, not to mention vacation and sick pay and holidays and all those things. And you can find all those things online.
Yes, our benefits.
Our benefits, yes.
Yeah, they're great. They're real great. Very, very nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for having us.
Well, no problem.
No
Thank
problem.
you for
Thank
having
you.
us as well.
Thank you.
And get online and apply, and show us what you got.
Yay.
And we're looking forward to seeing new faces.
Well, in addition to what Manny and Sergio said, the ideal candidate for this position should have a GED or high school diploma, at least 6 months of experience performing the essential job functions that they talked about, and you must possess a Class A commercial driver's license or be able to obtain one within 90 days of employment. So if being a heavy equipment mechanic 1 sounds like fun to you, and all of these great things that they talked about, and working in new facilities and having our great benefits, then I do encourage you to go onto our website at www.sanantonio.gov/careers to apply. Also, if you like this video, then I do encourage you to click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe. See you next week.